Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to delete Gmail account permanently. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your Gmail apps, tap on this. Next, tap on profile icon. After that, tap on manage your Google account. Scroll down little bit. Tap on data and privacy. Scroll down little bit. You can see here delete a Google service. Tap on this. Use your screen lock. Next, tap on this icon. Scroll down little bit. You can see that delete your Google account. Tap on this. Scroll down little bit. Tap on this. Tap on delete your Google account. You can see that delete Google account. Tap on this. Confirm button, tap on. Confirm your you can tap on confirm, and hopefully your account permanently deleted. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.